Hi everybody. So my name is Vineet Kumar and welcome back to Bury English Academy. So in this particular session we are going to have the unboxing session. What you have to do guys, you just have to come on the stage and tell about the specification and the features of the phone and loopholes too. Let's get started guys, let's get the ball rolling. Come on guys.
So hello everyone, here I am back with another product of the market and welcome back to our channel again. So welcome back to the Tech Hub company and this channel provides the various types of product which came to market, like a new brand new product. So here our company product, which is a brand new headphone of the Noise company. So let's open it. So here is a charger cable. There are like the headphone is charged by the C type of cable, C type of charging cable, and if you can't connect it with the phone, and if you can't connect with the phone, so you can easily connect it with the wire. It also come with the wire, and there it can be neutral because this headphone is neutral because it can also be connected with Wi-Fi or like with the Bluetooth wireless, and it can be non-wireless because it has the brand gives us the wire. And so our and this is our main product of the brand. So these are the brand new headphones of Noise company, and as you can see, the headphone has a very vibrant color, which is called cyan, and the quality of this product is very soft, and the cushions of the headphones which are given is very soft, and there are upper cushions also to comfortable our head, and it also shows the sign of left ear and right ear, and if you and the as I talk about the wiring of the phone to connect it with. So here is the port to connect it with. Like if you
This is called jack.
okay, and if you connect this jack with the phone, so it connects with the wire. So that's all about it, and the price. And if you can guess this price, so just comment below it, and if no one can guess it the price, so the price is just 5,000 rupees, and it is like, if I rate this product, so I will give 8 out of 10 because it has very high price. If I count the advantage and disadvantages of this product, so there are like one disadvantage I want to give you, because if you wear it, the most of time you feel like the ear will sweat a lot, because and if the ear will sweat, the water will come, and the water can goes into the headphone, and it can damage the earphone. So that's all about it.
Thank you so much and give your expression as well. Guys, you just need to focus on 2 to 3 things. The first is you have to be loud. Okay, you have to be loud with your voice. So like whenever you come on the stage, give your expressions first. Okay, be louder and be focused whatever you want to speak, because whenever you see the camera, so you feel that what should I speak right now. Okay, this is like the camera is here just to increase your confidence level, right or not guys? Yeah. Okay, let's move on. So who is next guys? Ishika. So let's clap for Ishika guys, please welcome.
So hello everyone, today I am here for unboxing a brand new phone which is company of Vivo. So let me show you the phone. So as you can see the phone, and it has the sticker which is looking very cute, and it shows it is like summer season. And as you can see, the man is wearing hat, and there are two cameras and one flashlight also. The camera is very, you can click picture it very clearly, and you get many type of zoom. You can zoom if the picture is very far, so you can zoom it and you get the clear picture. And it is about 5000 megapixel camera. And so as you can see, the display is very smooth. If you really want to,
Here you said 5000 megapixel.
sir, I don't know.
50 megapixel. Is it 5000 megapixel or 50 megapixel?
15.
15.
15.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
So its display is very smooth. And let's talk at the company is also providing a phone case with it, and it has manual for knowing the information about it, and you can attach it with very easily. And the company is also providing a adapter and the cable also. And the company is also providing this type of thing which is more suitable to keep the wire away from any type of thing, like if there is a nail or something, so you can protect your wire from it. And you can see the wallpaper is the very good, and you can change it. You can also change it, and the lock. It is also providing the face lock and the pattern type of also, and you can also change the lock pattern if you want to keep it with the number or the pen, so you can change it from the setting. So it's all about this phone. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ishika. A brand new person in the class who have recently joined our academy, and she is a wonderful speaker. Whenever she speaks in a very, different kind of energy. She has a good voice. She has a good command in English language. So please welcome Jia on the stage, guys. Come on.
So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, this side G, and today I am here to unboxing a new mobile phone. So I am here with a new mobile phone which is of Redmi 13C 5G. As you all know, in today's life, phone is most efficient and most crucial part of our life. So let's unboxing it. Let's see what's inside. As you can see, I have this mobile phone which is looking very nice, and its color is also very pretty, as we can show off it in our family or in our friends also. Let's see what they provide us a charger. This company provides us a charger which is very useful for us for battery, and it's look very nice. It's of Portronics, and we can easily charge it by a data cable, but the company doesn't provide any data cable with this. So let me show you some of the features of this. So first of all, we just talk about the display of this mobile phone. As you can see, its touch screen is 6-inch, and it looks very nice. And if you throw it by mistake, so it doesn't crack by one time. So it's, as we can see, the display is very nice, very portable. And the second thing I have to tell you that its features, and it's like its camera is of 3 camera and 1 camera in front of this phone, and it's very important for you all guys to click the pictures. And it's very nice. It's 15 megapixel camera, and it has one flashlight. And if you want to do some privacy in your phone, then you can lock it with your numbers and with your patterns and with your letters, as well as, and it has a fingerprint and a face lock also. If you forget the password, then you open this phone by the face lock. And let me show you some of its design. So it has a one switch button and right side of this phone, and it looks very amazing. And it has the more up of the volume, and it has this lower of the volume to do anything, to do more volume and to do anything which you wanted to do. And it's very nice. This phone is of just of rupees 15,000, and I think that phone's price is very useful. Phone's price is very, you are very comfortable with this price. Yeah, it's very affordable. And as I said, the storage of this phone is 128 GB RAM, and if you can click pictures, you can take thousands, millions of pictures in this phone. This storage has never end about that, and I like this phone. And this phone is provided by, I just bring this phone by Dwarka Sector 6 Market. I want this phone, bought this phone by Dwarka Sector 6 Market. And with this phone, the company provides a cover which looks very pretty, and which is very, like, it's very, and if you wanted to keep anything, any page in, if you want to keep any page in this cover, then you can, and it's very amazing for your guys. And I want that you can buy this from any of the shop of nearby of you. Thank you.
This phone have a long life battery, and company also give a charger of this phone which have 64 watt, which capable for fast charging. And let's talk about some advanced feature of this phone. We can this phone have a live option of live location. So we can share our location with our friends and families members, so they can easily locate us where we are. And this phone is useful for girls and boys. And this phone have also some advanced features, like we can if we forget our phone anywhere, or if we lost, so then we can reset our details and also able to find. And this phone have a 5G brand, so we can use unlimited internet. And this phone have water resistance, and this phone has water and dust resistance. So and the loopholes of this phone, sometimes the 5G network of this phone is not work properly. And at the last, that's all about the Vivo Y56 mobile phone. And this phone is very powerful, stylish, and a feature-packed mobile phone which is perfect for everyone. That's all about today. Thank you.
Okay, guys, so that was interesting, nice. Thank you so much, Vishal. Okay, now let's call another person. Please welcome Shubham on the stage.
Hello everyone, this side Shivam. So today we are introduce a excited phone with you, and it is not a phone, it is a stylish phone and you can use in future. So this phone name is Redmi 8A, which is mostly randomly purchased in India, and it is not a stylish phone. It has a many feature. You can charge your phone with many 5 and 6 GB, and we also give, if you purchase this mobile, we can give you free 2 GB, and its price is just 6,000, and it is a very affordable price. I can show you this phone is very stylish and its color is very blue, and you can think about you are in heaven like a god. You can show off this phone in all around your friends, and you can show this your family, which is very affordable. And we have a company, you can buy from our company in Palam, Janakpuri, and this type of wares, and you can buy also from, and this is manufacturing from Mumbai. And the company would also provide a charger like data cable. It is a free, because in other company, the Vivo, Samsung, that does not provide the free charger. So we give you a sale like which give you a free charger. You can charge, and it is a one loophole that if you click the picture more than 200 photos, it can be hang or switch off. If you it have face lock. It has 3 cameras, as you see that, and it is have a flashlight, and it has click pictures, and you can also make a you can also upload it the video on YouTube and dislike in Instagram, and you can also dislike. It is very the company would given the wallpaper like this. It is very beautiful, and it is a company very giving the cover of this, which is black in color, and it is very useful and very stylish. Come, why are you waiting for this opportunity? Come and grab this opportunity. Thank you. This side Shivam.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So there are some of the students who haven't performed. So I would like to call another Vishal from our class. So please welcome Vishal on the stage. Come on.
So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Vishal Electronics. So today I got one interesting product which is called, like everyone likes the product, which is iPhone XR. So I am just unboxing this iPhone. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh my god. Look at the beauty, guys. Look at the beauty. Okay. So this is iPhone XR, and it has 3 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and I'm talking about the camera sensor. The camera is totally a 50 megapixel camera, and in the front camera it provides 12 megapixel, and I'm talking about the battery sensors, battery. So it has a 5000 mAh battery, and which is good, but talking about it has okay, let me show you one more thing. Like, as you all know, like Apple doesn't provide the data cable. Talking about the colors variant, so it has four colors variant: blue, black, red, and yellow. And it's my personal choice. I chose white color, and which is looking very pretty. And talking about the price range, very affordable price. It's around 35,000 rupees. And talking about the storage, if you buy 512 GB, so it's phone around 40,000 rupees. And talking about the notches, it has a notch, like it has a notch which is very good for that phone. If you get any notification, the notch will pop up, and which is very amazing thing and amazing feature. Talking about the privacy feature, so it has only Face ID and lock. Apple doesn't provide the fingerprint. I don't know why, which is including the loopholes. And so these things, and I purchased the online. I purchased the Casify, and talking about and these things. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna call another person who is from Uttarakhand. Please welcome Priyanshu Negi on the stage, guys. Come on. Ready, Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Give your best. Okay, don't focus on your grammar. Just give your best. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanshu Negi. Today I am unboxing a very interesting gadget it is the very special as you. Let's start. Can anybody guess what the product is? Which
Vivo.
Yeah, you all right. It's Vivo. It's a brand. It is the Vivo T3X. Let's start. I'm so excited. Whoa, this is an amazing phone. It's like the company gives one sticker. It's very premium. As you can see, like scratch the sticker. It's like very premium. Oh, nice. There is one more case. It is very interesting. Like you flex anywhere. This is like very good conditions. And talk about some specification. We don't need to. We are expert of it. And there is one more charger. It's a 75 volt. It's charged very faster. Like if you like your phone is dead, then you easily charge 10 minutes to get 100. And there is one more cable, type C to type C. And also the company provides some protector to the wire. Let's start. I talk about the phone. There is very amazing display. Like you can imagine, it's a 6.7 inches, 120 hertz refresh rate. And it's a very good display. You can play game, you can watch in Netflix, you enjoy a lot because you see the display is very premium. And also the company provide a Gorilla Glass. If you like pull down in any way, put down. If you drop your phone, then the phone never scratch, and it's like a very good quality.
It does not get the scratch.
It does not crack the scratch. And I'll talk about the Snapdragon. You can imagine 8 Gen 2. Like the gamers are the dream. Like you can see you are performing very well. Like if in the gaming field, you can see the gaming is very smooth and you play PUBG, Free Fire and many more. And I'll talk about the RAM. There are three types of like in the field, like a 4GB, 6GB and 12GB. And talk about the ROM, then 128 and 512 and 612. You can imagine it's the phone of 12GB RAM and 512 ROM. Like it's very amazing phone because you click a lot of pictures because now generations make posting reels and posting